Why is my face so red?
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Hello?
Device paired.
Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My hair looks crazy, but it's dirty, so we're gonna just leave it like it is. But welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be another playlist video of me getting ready and listening to some new music. I love these videos. I haven't done these in a while, and the last time I did it was like 2 months ago, maybe a month ago. This whole year is like a blur. I don't even know what month we're in, so like honestly, who cares? Basically, if you're new here, I always post these videos. Try to post them monthly, but it doesn't always work out. All I do is just listen to some new music and put on some makeup and eat some food and do all that shit and just chill with you guys. Ignore that basket there, okay? Let's not talk about it. But I have some popcorn and I have my smoothie, so I'm gonna chill out with you guys and do this. I had an ultrasound this morning, so like I'm not feeling the best, so I really want this to make me feel good. We're gonna have some popcorn. Shit. I'm gonna put on some makeup and play some tunes. So the two main things that everyone asks is my Spotify is always in down below, and all the makeup products I use down below as well. Everything you need to know is in the description, so always check that out before you ask any questions. But let's start. I'm so excited. So if you want to know what happens in this video or what I look like at the end of this video, just keep on watching.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Couple like good songs that I've found recently, but like most of them have been really depressing. But most of the songs have been me like falling back in love with a lot of songs, because thanks to TikTok and like Harry Potter and Draco Malfoy TikToks, I've just been obsessed with a lot of older songs because they put it in the TikToks. It's not the point, you know what I mean? I don't know what look to do. I definitely want to do something green. I feel like I want to do like a Slytherin look, because I did one on live stream a couple weeks ago and I really liked it, and I saw Sarah Fritz did one as well and she did like a sickening look. So I'm going to do green today. That's all I'm going to say. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm doing green today. So what songs do we play first? I don't know what to play. Okay. This song, See You Later. This is from a YouTube edit. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with Instagram and YouTube edits. Literally, all the people I follow on Instagram are basically just video edits of TV shows and movies. It's fantastic. This song was on a YouTube edit and it's literally a mood and a half. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and we're going to start putting on some foundation.
Doesn't go on and on and on. And I'll go right back to you.
This is the best part, guys.
It's nothing like the movies. They said that it'd be easy. They were fucking wrong. Oh, love sucks.
See you later.
You go and I'll go right back to you. Nothing like the movies. Nothing like the song. They were fucking wrong. Like happy ever after is something I can reach. Love sucks.
So this next one is a One Direction song. I've already heard this song, obviously, because I'm a Directioner. I found a TikTok and it was a girl talking about this is her dream proposal, and it's this song like in her proposal. This is Girl Almighty. I'm so excited. See you later. Oh, like just that in general is just so upbeat and happy. I love it.
Oh no, let's have another toast to the Girl Almighty.
Oh,
Am I the only believer?
sis.
Only believer.
See you later, Zayn.
I get down on my knees for you. There's something happening here. There's as many angels. Only believer. There's something happening here.
Oh.
I get down on my knees for you.
Oh, this is a classic.
You got that smile that only you can make.
This song, I don't know the words to. It's called Chosen Family. Now, this song describes me and my friends to a T. So this is a shout out to all my friends, and this song's for you. I feel like this song is just representing so many people's relationship with their friends. Oh, I just dropped a piece of popcorn.
Show me who made you walk all the way.
Am I gonna cry? Maybe.
We don't need to be related to relate. You are my chosen family. We've been going through the same thing, yeah. You are my chosen family. We'll turn the page together.
See ya.
We don't need to be related to relate. I chose you, you chose me. Chosen family.
Oh, my eyebrows are hideous, but that song's great.
I could use some help. getting out of this conversation, yeah.
The fact that he now has a daughter is making me go crazy. These eyebrows are disgustingly bad. Okay. This song is so cool. This is James Arthur's new song. I think Lewis Capaldi wrote part of this song, which is literally insane to me. Okay, if you don't like eating, I'm sorry, but like, if mukbangers can eat on camera, so can I. This song kind of slaps, and it's like upbeat and shit. I'm so excited. James Arthur is insanely underrated. Where's my brush? Hello? Oh, got it.
Let go, let go. I've been looking for a lasting lover.
It's just so sick.
I've been looking for a lasting lover.
Oh.
Till the days when your heart was trying to hold on for so long.
See you later. So we're gonna start some eyeshadow now. Again, all the products are gonna be listed down below, so I'm not gonna talk through this, but this song is actually a cover of Love Story by Taylor Swift done by a beautiful girl on TikTok, and a DJ or something, I don't know, rapper, whatever, remixed it and put his rap in that song. It's fantastic, so I'm gonna play it.
It's a love story, baby, just say.
Hey, I'm pulling 24s on the carriage. You gon' see me when I swoop. I do anything for my bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Baby, you'll take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting.
You left behind, yep, look how they fit. Hey, you put your, it's a level up. That's
Yes, it's so good.
Baby, just say.
Dude, see you later. Like, Love Story by Taylor Swift is one of my favorite songs ever. Hearing that remix is fantastic. This is what's happening so far. Don't know what's happening, honestly. No idea. Oh, Cat Burns. Love you, girl.
Try calling your stuff, baby, got your voicemail again. So I leave in your place. So don't call this number anymore. Cause I won't be there for you like I was before.
Oh,
Pack up your shit and go.
period.
You promised that when I would again. So I guess my friends were always right. They said you were just like all the rest. So pack up your shit and go. Look what you've done. You've turned this heart cool.
The runs.
They said you were just like all the rest. So pack up your shit and go.
Bitch, this song makes me cry. We play a lot of upbeat songs, so I think we should play some sad songs. A lot of you guys hate when I play sad songs, but I'm sorry, this is like my whole personality trait of sad songs. Oh, this is a good song.
My therapist called you a learning experience. 180 an hour, that's all that he mentions. Listen, you was getting fucking expensive. There was just something about being wanted by someone who never knew what they wanted. I'm holding on to nothing, don't know how to let it go. I try to explain you to myself. Tell me the memories that you miss the most. I loved you fully, but fully means more now.
Okay, that song hits different. Like, I don't know, but like that song, man.
Every time I'm low, you're the one thing I know. They have nothing on you.
Okay, this is from TikTok. I want to say it's not from Harry Potter TikTok, but it's definitely from Harry Potter TikTok. This fuels my sadness, okay? Just saying.
Cause I could fall for you if I wanted to. And I could get attached and love the hell out of you. But I don't think I'm ready to love someone else. Probably better. Cause I could fall for you if I wanted to. And I could get attached and love the hell out of you. You're so much better if I can't get over the way you used to look at me. And I know you're probably best for me. I see the way you look at me and I hate it. Cause I could fall for you if I wanted to, but I can't.
Okay, Ben Platt, calm down.
When you are young, you wish you're older. And when you're older, you wish for time to turn around.
Calm down. My eyeshadow is done. I'm kind of liking it, but like this blob over here is not cute. But I'm gonna do some eyeliner while I try out another song. I don't know if I've actually talked about this before. What is my nose doing? We 3 is one of my favorite like groups, period. Like I love them so much. And they recently brought out another album, and I listened to this on repeat non-stop. I don't think I played it in one of these videos before, so I'm gonna play like 3 of their songs that I love. Sorry about repeating We 3, but it's definitely highly recommended if you go listen to their stuff. Okay, so this is called Hold Me Baby. I've played this in a vlog before, but it's like iconic.
Hold me, baby. You make it easy. You make it right. You make this butterfly.
Let's go.
Hey!
Do you mind leaving the lights on? Cause I really like to see you.
Girl, you and I.
Let's go.
Roll electricity. Hold me, baby. Just one more time. Nothing can waste it on these butterflies.
Oh, this is literally another song I'm obsessed with. It just came on next to it. Oh my god. I'm just like doing my little lash line and stuff. I'm about to put some mascara and lashes on, so I'm just gonna play We 3 because this is another one of my favorites.
I know you're insecure. Could you say something real? Like how you actually feel? 'Cause I know you're not so tough. You're actually pretty weak. So tell them that you miss your mom. You're sleeping with the nightlight on. Try and keep your demons gone. The shivers from your soul, they keep you up at night. And how you feeling gold in the middle of July.
Honestly, highly recommend listening to their stuff if you haven't already. Just saying. I'm about to put some lashes on, and these are going to be Majestic by Supernova. These are limited edition. The eyeliner is a bit rough, but this is my eyes minus lashes. These are massive lashes. Hopefully they look okay, and then I'm going to start my face and everything will be okay. I'm going to play a song that everyone should know. This has been like on TikTok so often because people are singing it. I just want to give a shout out to TikTok singers because I've seen so many people cover this song lying down. And if you're not like a singer, if you don't like singing or whatever, singing lying down is literally the hardest thing you could possibly do. But if you can sing a song with perfect pitch, perfect note hitting, everything like that lying down, you're a godsend. Just saying. But this is When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. This song hits differently. Hopefully we can cry together. I've been playing this so much in the car with Dad. He hates me, but it's fine. I used to sing this so much as a kid. It's crazy.
Everybody needs a song.
See you later. Here we go.
Yeah, when my world is falling apart, that's when I look at you.
See ya. Come on, sing it together.
When the waves are running ashore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I see the truth. You love me for who I am. Like the stars hold the moon.
That line, see you later.
Don't you know you're beautiful?
Hey! Absolute bop.
I think I'm gonna die alone. Where is funeral clothes?
Whoa, why that go? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. This is my look. This song isn't old. It's this year. But I think I played this in a recommended playlist video and I added it to my playlist, but I haven't heard it since. Came on shuffle the other day and I've been listening to it on repeat like a lot. This song is stunning.
Common sense tells me kiss the girl goodbye. But common sense ain't coming when you come to mind. Common sense said don't go the extra mile. But common sense forgot about her smile. But second chance is all I really need. I think I love you. I want to love you. Please let me love you. Common sense says the girl's not worth my time. But common sense ain't coming when you come to mind. No, common sense ain't coming when you come to mind.
Oh my god, see you later. Literally, absolutely stunning song. I have no idea what to play next. This is my look, by the way. Do we like it? I'm kind of liking it, but my lips are going to be really dark today. I'm going to do a black lip. Oh, hello, Rihanna. Why is that so loud? We have one more song to play, but I don't know what to play. I was going to use a Morphe lipstick because I've used that before and it's literally pigmented as hell. But I just found this. Forgot I had this. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Kiev, like chicken Kiev. This was in like the advent calendar, but this looks black. So we're going to try it and I'm really excited. Okay, this song, this was in a TikTok, again, point of view. But I didn't have it to my playlist. Dumbass bitch. This is Goodbye Song by MKTO. They're so underrated. I feel like they've been like in the business for so long and their music is so good. So I freaking love this song.
Yeah, I'ma put your shit out on the road.
Oh!
For you,
oh god.
you said the money was over at 4 and someone's about to be my next ex. Put your shit out on the lawn. Leave your heart and take your phone. Yeah, light it up. Get everybody with the love. Yeah, I'm gonna hook up with your mom. This is your goodbye, goodbye song. You can find them in the past, don't stop.
Hasta la vista. Hey.
Now come on, girl. Come on. This is your goodbye song.
Okay, peoples of the internet, I am done. This is my final look. This is my lips. I never wear black lipstick. You guys should know that by now. It's a bit blue based, but this is my final look. I really like this look. So I'm gonna jump off camera, fix my hair, probably get changed into something green because I'm feeling green, and then I will come back and finish off the video, and that's pretty much it. If you couldn't already tell, my hair is disgustingly dirty. It's not dirty, it's just oily. We're not gonna stare at my hair, okay? Thank you. I look pretty cute, not gonna lie. I look really, really good and I'm very, very proud of the way I look. I like the makeup skills and stuff because like I haven't really sat down and done a tutorial in a while. Everything you see is like pre-filmed, so I'm very, very happy with the outcome of this look. And the fact that I look really good in black lipstick, I didn't think I was gonna look this good. I kind of slapped, just saying. But that is the end of this video, guys. This is my final look of me just playing around with my makeup and listening to some tunes. I think I've gathered some inspiration from Slytherin and like everything going on TikTok with Harry Potter and Draco. As you can clearly tell, I look a lot of greens and like blacks and stuff. I am a Slytherin. I'm a Slytherin and a Gryffindor. But I love this look. I'm so excited. But that is the end of today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you are new here, please subscribe. I make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. All my social media links and all my Spotify details and every single product I used on my face today will be linked down below like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.